Hello everyone, this video is a quick overview of the shop theme options. So to access the theme options, go to Appearance and Theme Options. And here on the left side you have the main tabs, and inside each one of these tabs you will have the related options. So on the general tabs you have some options related with the layout, where you can turn the responsiveness on and off, the content width, the layout, if it's boxed or not. You can set up background colors, background images, and you have here some options related with how the pages load. And in terms of typography, you can also change here the body font size, the font faces for the headings, for the body font. You can also add an extra font if you want to have 3 fonts on your website. And you can also add extra fonts using a plugin. On the theme documentation you can see how to do this. And you have here a lot more options related with these fonts and the whole typography on the website. And also on the general tab you have everything that's related with the theme colors that apply across the different parts of the website. Same as for the text fields, lines and borders, you can also set them all here. And the buttons, you can control their looks here too. And also the preloader, you can tweak and change how it looks here. So as you can see on the general tab, you have the options that apply to multiple parts of the website. The next tab is the branding tab. It's where you can set up the logos that will be used on the header menu and the logo position too. Then we have the social network links area, where you can set up your social networks linking here, so they can show on multiple parts of the website, but you can set them up here. And there's also a tab related with that small bar above the menu that you can see on some demos. Here you can also set up the colors, the bar size. You can change pretty much everything here on this tab. Then we have the menu tab, which is where you can tweak all the things that are related with the menu section. Just like on the other sections, you can change font sizes, font faces, colors. The general appearance of the menu can be changed here. Also for the submenu, you have total freedom to control how it looks. Then there's the sticky menu bar, the bar that comes after you scroll up and down, and just like on the other areas you can change colors and fonts here. The mobile mode you can define here when the theme, from which width the theme activates mobile mode, and you can also change colors here, add a custom logo if you want. For the main sidebar you can turn it on or off here on this part. And you have some options related with the sidebar position and the titles, how they look. Same as for the hidden sidebar, it can be turned on and or off here, and you can change the same type of options. In terms of footer, you have also a complete tab here where you can change colors, position, the number of widgets, if you want to use a sidebar or not. You can change all that here. Then we have the blog tab, where you can set up the options for the blog pages and for the blog archives pages. So as usual, all the colors can be changed here. And you can turn on and off things like showing dates, showing the posted by text, the categories. You can turn all those features on and or off here. The search feature, there's a search overlay that comes when you click on the magnifier icon, so you can also change the colors here. Same as for the 404 error page, you can set up a header image and change the text color here. The Google Maps API, if you're going to use maps, you need to add the Google API key. There's also here a small tutorial showing how to do that. There's also the translations tab. If your website has only one language, you can translate everything here. You don't need to code anything. All the strings that you can see on the website, they can be translated here. If you have a multi-language website, then you're going to use a plugin. You can use WPML, Polylang, or whatever plugin you want. But in that case, you need to change these strings within the plugin options. In terms of WooCommerce, there are also here some options in terms of how the products will be displayed. And there are here these 3 more advanced tabs. There's one where you can add your custom CSS or custom JavaScript. There are also settings related with the slugs that you can change here. And finally, you have a tab where you can import and export the theme options if you're going to move from one install to another one. In terms of theme options, that's all I have to say. Thank you very much for watching.